Ethereum is about to skyrocket, thanks to BlackRock's groundbreaking move. You don't want to miss this. Now, let's dive in. The massive asset management company BlackRock launches its first fund on the Ethereum blockchain, marking a significant foray into the tokenization space. A choice that might hasten the institutional adoption of digital assets. Blockchain enthusiasts spotted a big transaction after the fund was announced. $100 million worth of Circle's USDC stablecoin was moved on the Ethereum network, most likely in connection with BlackRock's recent business initiative. With BlackRock's massive influence and resources, this could potentially be a game changer for Ethereum and the entire crypto market. It's a clear sign that institutional investors are starting to take cryptocurrencies seriously. The BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, also known as BUIDL, is the company's first tokenized fund released on a public blockchain. Through Securitize Markets LLC, BUIDL will provide qualified investors the chance to subscribe to the fund and earn yields denominated in US dollars. Not everyone is ignoring BlackRock's explosive debut into the cryptocurrency world. The establishment of an institutional digital liquidity fund in USD on Ethereum was announced last week by the Wall Street giant, which oversees more than $10 trillion in assets. Specifics on the assets held by the fund remain undisclosed. Nonetheless, the partnership with Securitize, a renowned entity in asset tokenization, suggests an emphasis on real-world assets, RWA, tokenization. The fund's administrator and asset custodian will be Bank of New York Mellon, while BlackRock Financial Management Incorporated will handle investments. In addition to managing the tokenized shares and providing data on subscriptions, redemptions, and payouts for the fund, Securitize Markets will serve as a transfer agent and tokenization platform. As placement agent, Securitize Markets will make the fund accessible to qualified investors. The move, in the words of Bernstein analysts Gautam Chugani and Mahika Sapra, brings legitimacy to Ethereum. Ethereum and comparable blockchains were mostly thought of as retail casinos up until recently. But BlackRock's move might make a difference and spur institutional investors to embrace tokenized funds more widely. The aspirations of BlackRock's visionary CEO, Larry Fink, are not concealed by digital assets. Fink spoke on the revolutionary potential of tokenization in January 2024. He emphasized the potential for tokenized securities and identity verification to completely transform financial transactions. As a further step toward widespread asset tokenization, he is now aiming to secure approval from the SEC for an Ethereum spot ETF, building on the success of his Bitcoin spot ETF, which was also introduced in January 2024. The brilliant CEO of BlackRock, Larry Fink, has completely changed his perspective on Bitcoin. It's amazing to witness such a significant shift in his thinking. Especially in light of Fink's earlier remarks, when he declared at a gathering of the Institute of International Finance, calling Bitcoin an index of money laundering to an outright endorsement of Bitcoin with the creation of an ETF. Is Larry Fink correct in his assessment of how the financial landscape is evolving? Post a comment in the Money Swag section. Clients of BlackRock's Ethereum Fund will have easy access to ETH, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, $427 billion. For traditional investors, it is a more accessible product than buying tokens directly. In addition to paying daily accrued dividends straight to investors' wallets as fresh tokens every month, BUIDL aims to provide a steady value of $1 per token. The fund gives investors the opportunity to earn yield while holding the token on the blockchain by allocating 100% of its entire assets to cash, U.S. Treasury bills, and repurchase agreements. One can transfer tokens to other pre-approved investors at any time of day, 7 days a week. Additionally, fund participants will be able to select how they want to hold their tokens thanks to various investor choices. Huge companies like Grayscale and Fidelity are also waiting in line to introduce their Ethereum spot ETFs. This tendency now seems unstoppable, even if the SEC is taking its time to approve. It looks like cryptocurrencies will soon stand alone as an asset class. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest money news and updates right here on our channel.